Hello everybody, I welcome you to the SchoolDeeds platform. Before moving on, let us look at a few very important details. We do not charge anything per student. We give unlimited students, staff and cloud storage for all subscription plans. And our price never changes for existing users. For more details, you can please check out the contact information in the description and you can directly reach out to us. Let's get started. In this video, let us understand how exactly can we mark the staff attendance on the SchoolDeeds platform. For this, firstly you need to come onto the website schooldeeds.com and simply click on the login button, enter in all of your credentials for the reception account, and finally you need to click on login. Once you log in, you will be landing on this dashboard that gives you a complete overview. On the left-hand side, you will be finding the different features. Let us click on the staff attendance feature. Once you click there, here you have different options. If you want to take the attendance of the staff, you can click on Take Attendance feature. And if you want to get an overview summary of all of the staff attendance marked, then you can scroll down and see this option. Let us click on the Take Attendance feature. Here you can see that all of the staff members have been grouped differently. For example, teacher, accounts, fees department, bookkeeper, transport, receptionist, etc. Suppose we want to mark the attendance for the teacher at present. We will be clicking on the teacher option, and here you will be getting a list of all the teachers of whose entry you would have made on the SchoolDeeds platform. Right now, let us mark the attendance for the teacher Dilpreet Kaur. Here you have 5 different options. Firstly, the present. If the teacher is present, you will be marking over here. You can enter in the in timing and the out timing. You will get this feature in case you have not opted for the biometric. If you have opted for the biometric, then this will be disabled since you would not need to enter in the time manually. Right now, we are setting in the in time as 9:45 and the out time as 6:45 p.m. Once that is done, you also have the option to enter in any short leaves. For example, the teacher came in for the duty, but they went out for a short leave. You can keep a track record of all of those here as well. Here also, we would have to enter the out timing and the in timing when they came back. In case you want to write a reason or a remark, you can do that as well. For example, I will be writing here lunch break. In case you want to add any more short leave entries, you can do that too. Right now we don't have any, so we'll cross these out. Next up is the absent feature. If the teacher is absent, you can mark over here. If the teacher has taken any leave, you can mark here, and you can even give in any remarks like a wedding. Next option is for half day. If the teacher has taken a half day, you can change the in time and out time over here. You also have the feature for the short leave once again in the half day, and you can also give a remark. Lastly, we have the feature of on duty. The on duty feature is basically for those teachers who are not present in the school itself, but they have gone for duty somewhere else. For example, in case they have invigilation duty or exam checking duty. Hence, we can write over here any remark that we wish to. For example, I would be mentioning over here exam duty. For this example, let us assume that the teacher Dilpreet Kaur has taken a half day. We can tick mark the short leave for the lunch break as well, and we would be entering that the teacher has taken a half day because of health issues. We can also update the timing over here. From 6:45, I will be doing 3:45 p.m. Once that is done, click on Update Attendance and your attendance is saved successfully. As you can see over here, the entry is already made along with the short leave remark as well, and the timing has been updated. And if you scroll down, you can get a snapshot of all the teachers' attendance that we have marked on the I button. Once you click on it and go to All Teacher, you will be able to see the attendance marked of all the different teachers in your record. And all of these remarks of not taken are basically for the teachers for which attendance has not been marked. And if there is any kind of holiday that has been marked in your calendar while you're setting up the holidays and events list, then it will be reflected here as well. If you have every 4th Saturday or Sunday, it will be showing here as well. Now let us see how exactly will this be shown from the principal's dashboard. We simply go back and log out from this account and log in to the principal's dashboard. Once you enter in the credentials and log in, you will be landing on the dashboard. Once again, on the left hand side, you have all of the different features. We need to click on the timetable feature. Over here, you need to scroll all the way down to find the option for date-wise timetable. Here you have an action button that says staff details. Once you click on it, here you will be getting the log of all the different teachers and their attendance. Here you can see Dilpreet Kaur has been marked for a half day, the in time and out time along with the short leaves have been mentioned. If you want to see the timetable, you can do that too. Next up, let us see how will this be shown from the account section dashboard. For this, you need to log out from here and now log in to the accounts dashboard. Once you do that, here you will be having all of the details and we click on the staff attendance feature. Here you have every single thing in one proper place along with the roles and the names. If you want, you can search. Suppose we search for teacher and we will be getting the details of all of the teachers. You can also directly search by the name. Suppose we search for Dilpreet Kaur and we will be getting the teacher's attendance as half day. This is exceptionally important for the accounts department for marking the salaries of the teachers, since here you also get the log of total days in a month, attendance taken for and total Sundays as well. If you want, you can also click on the I button and you will be getting all of the logs. For example, of 29 May, you can see half day and every single other detail. Very soon, this exact view will be available on the principal's dashboard as well. That will make the entire system much more organized and easy to understand. I really hope that you enjoyed in this video and could have learned a lot of new things about the SchoolDeeds platform and how to navigate on it. If you need any more help, you can comment it down below and we will get back to you. If you like this video, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.